Sam and I got a bus ride from Halong Bay at 6 o'clock this morning. We are at where are we at? Langsong. We're sitting with locals eating pho, and we're getting on that bus. We're going to Khao Bang. Timing belt goes. We've gone a little ways out from Khao Bang. Motor ride was about an hour and a half. We've had a break, had pho, and we think it was dog. We may have had dog for breakfast in pho, but we've arrived here into Gioc Waterfalls. It's still green. We missed a turn off as usual and went for a roam. We turned back and saw it on the way back. Walking down to it now. As Sam and I walked down, this part of the waterfall was not flowing until we walked here, and it seems like it's going stronger and stronger. And watch, someone would probably turn a tap on and the next one would come on. But we had one waterfall going for, now there's three on this side. And to the main side of the, is it what's the waterfall name again? Bang Gioc. It's straight ahead. And it seems like it's flowing stronger now than we were walking down.
In wet season, it should span 300 meters, the width of it.
So it looks like the width of what we're walking through would be the main center of it flowing through. So to start from that side, you can see one in the trees, get all the way through onto the Chinese border. The Chinese, I think we are literally on the Chinese border, yes?
Yeah, I think it's on the other side of the river. The road that we rode in on actually crisscrosses over the border. We're in China at some point today.
We were illegally crossing borders today. No stamps, but wow, look at that.
We did get chased by a Chinese dog.
Yes, the guard dogs did chase us down the road. But we are here sat with locals.
Ở đây nấu đây, nấu nước lên ăn mì tôm.
Mì tôm hả? Oh, see,
mì tôm của bên Anh á, mì tôm của Trung Quốc á. Đây nè, bà đang mang vào nè.
Oh.
Đun lửa. Đốt lên.
Nấu đây luôn hả?
Nấu đây luôn.
What these guys, the locals here are sat here. As we climb down from the top, they called us over. They've got a lady delivering some prawns. Prawns. They're going to do fried rice here, I think. That's what they're saying. See, she's walking across our bridge. And these guys are here, I think, going to have their lunch. They've invited us. I don't know how this happened, but we seem to hang out with locals everywhere we go.
I can't believe this. Vietnamese takeout service. It's amazing.
We got delivered
So long gone.
bowls, plates, you name it. Everything's here. Everything's coming. What we got here is the locals have invited us to have lunch with them. They've given us beers, rice wine. We're sat right next to the waterfall, between the waterfalls. They've ordered noodles and prawns, cooked by a local lady, and Sam's up there having a drink with their locals, having a good old time. This is a random thing we got up to, so we'll probably hang out for a bit and sat here in the waterfalls.